Hello guys, this is a demo for tin shed and RCC roof. In one 3D design, we have to select the location and go on next step. Here we have to draw the RCC roof. By placing the dots, you get the exact measurement for the particular area. You can define its height of roof, its parapet wall. Now we draw tin shed roof here. We have to simply place the dots as we did with the RCC roof and complete shape define it as a metal shed roof. Go into height adjustment slope. Where the slope is facing, you can now mirror it to the other side. In 3D, you can see both of our roofs are ready. Now we will proceed with the next step where we will place obstruction. We are placing the chimneys here. You can adjust the diameter height of the chimney and you don't have to draw it every time. You can simply adjust and copy paste it every time wherever you want to place, as many times as you want to place it on the roof. We are going to make the elevated roof on RCC. We simply place the dots where you want the elevated roof. You can adjust its height, its parapet wall. We can also place the tree here. You can adjust its diameter and its height. You can also move the obstructions anywhere after placing it. Now, if you go on 3D, we can see the obstructions, shadow of tree falling on the roof. On next step, you have to select the brand of the panel. Here, you're going to use brand of the inventor. You are going to use now, draw a area where you want to place the panels. The number of panels which can be fitted in that area will be placed by the software. You can rotate them from south to southeast. However you want to place them, you can adjust the front leg. Height type of the structure, C-type, square type, whichever type of structure you are going to use. As in this, we are using C type of structure. You can go on 3D. You can see how precisely the panels have been placed on the roof. You can see the efficiency of the panels properly. Now let us place some panels on the tin shed roof. We will use draw area feature and draw the whole area in which we want to place the panels. And the panels that can be fitted in that area will be placed automatically. You can just stand off high of rails, rail spacing and everything. Now the panels have been placed, and now let us place some walkways. You have to draw the walkways in 3D. You can see the walkways. Now let us place some safety rails on the roof also. We can move our existing table to the elevated roof, and the legs that are falling on the elevated roof will be auto adjusted by the software. You can do auto stringing on next step. All the reports are auto generated. SLDPV array report stringing layout for all the roofs.